Good morning from the National Weather Service in Gaylord. Welcome to the latest hazardous weather briefing for northern lower and eastern upper Michigan. Today is Thursday, May the 15th, 2014. No hazardous weather expected over the next 7 days, although there will be a possibility of some frosty mornings upcoming. On the current weather map, area of low pressure over the Ohio Valley, large area of precipitation associated with that. And this area of low pressure will just slowly meander its way up through the Great Lakes over the next 24 hours. It's going to keep conditions on the damp side in our area, along with well below normal temperatures. Looking at daily precipitation forecast today through Saturday, most widespread precipitation will be today. Rainfall amounts up to 1/2 inch in some areas. And tonight, as some cooler air comes into the area from the west, don't be surprised if you see a wet snowflake, especially over western areas, the higher terrain, parts of eastern upper Michigan. This won't amount to a whole lot, but certainly a wet snowflake is not out of the question. Generally dry conditions on Friday, although there still could be a pop-up shower or two. And additional rain chances on Saturday. And with cold air aloft, don't be surprised if you see a little bit of graupel as well on Saturday with some of the heavier showers. Graupel is just a partially melted snowflake, looks a little bit like sleet or hail. So looking at some of the highlights, once again, much below normal temperatures. Temperatures today struggling into the low to mid 40s, which is a solid 20 degrees below where they should be for this time of year. We have periods of rain and showers. Could even be a little bit of snow mixing in tonight. The generally dry day on Friday, and then additional shower chances on Saturday. And then you may be asking, where's the sun? Well, really until the second half of the weekend, and especially early next week, sunshine will return to the area. For those wanting more significant warmth, it does look like next week temperatures do return at least somewhat closer to normal, which would be into the 60s as we head toward Memorial Weekend. One thing I wanted to highlight, did mention that potential for some frost over the next several days, and that will be there. Low temperatures in the 20s in many locations as we get over the weekend into the first part of next week. This concludes the hazardous weather briefing for this morning. I do thank you for listening in. The next update is expected around 5 a.m. tomorrow morning.